086029701, the people of the state of Michigan versus Marcel Ramon Oliver. Defendant is charged with retail fraud. It's on the court's docket for a review. Who is that at the table doing? What is going on at my table? Okay, okay, bless the shit. Okay, appearance, please. Can counsel stop doing that at the table on the screen? Can we acknowledge that we're in court? Can we do that? Okay, appearance, please.
Rakidia Hall on behalf of Marcel Oliver.
Table, can counsel move from the table? It's very distracting. It's very distracting. Can counsel move from the table? Okay, your appearance, Ms. Hall.
Rakidia Hall on behalf of Marcel Oliver. Sir, may you unmute yourself and state your full name for the record?
Unmute. Unmute, Mr. Oliver. Well, Mr. Oliver, you certainly can unmute because you had to unmute in the breakout room. Someone had to unmute you. Someone had to unmute you. Okay, so then all you had to do was tell them to unmute you, Mr. Oliver.
They're in another room. I gotta go out of here. They're in another room. Let me go.
You don't have to go out, Mr. Oliver, because clearly you can tell that I can hear you because I'm talking to you.
Okay, well, yeah, they're not in this room with me. They're not in this room. They're in another
conversation. We're literally having a conversation. Mr. Oliver, please state your name.
Marcel Ramon Oliver.
Thank you so much. Today is the day. This is what I'm not going to do. I'm not going to do this.
You can't hear me. They said it's not mute. You hear me? They unmuted. Can you unmute it?
All right, let's go to another case. And then we'll come back to that one. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's go to another case. Okay, I'm gonna bring them back out. Let's go ahead and bring them back out. What I want to know is why the jail called them, because they know they heard us. Why did the jail call them? They know they heard us talking. That's why they unmuted them. Okay. Good Monday morning, Miss Hall.
Good Monday morning.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Oh, okay. I know. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Mr. Oliver, here's something we're going to do. Mr. Oliver, you're not going to just randomly talk. That's what's going to happen. You're not going to just randomly talk. We are literally in court. We are in a court proceeding. My court reporter is recording. And you're not going to just literally start talking, nor are you going to get up and answer telephones while the judge is talking. I mean, I don't care who's calling inside of that room. I literally don't care. They're going to not call inside the room because the person who called inside the room, they knew we were on court because that's why they unmuted you when I asked you to unmute. Like literally. So what we're going to do is make sure that we are abiding by court decorum at the jail. Now, I don't know which jail facility you're in, but I'm going to need you to abide by court decorum, and I'm going to need the people monitoring to abide by court decorum. All right. So, Ms. Hall, I think in the middle of all that, you had placed your appearance on the record. We had gotten Mr. Oliver's name, and then today is the date set for review. And they tell them to leave us alone, Mr. Flanagan. Just tell them that I said leave us alone. We don't need that. We don't need it. Just tell them to leave us alone for right now. Okay, today is the day set for review. Let me check my email. I did ask Mr. Flanagan to send me a copy of the Register of Action. Because this is a very old case, and Mr. Oliver is clearly in custody of the Michigan Department of Correction. and he was originally sentenced back in 2008 by my colleague whose name I cannot read. So I don't know. Oh, I guess I could go up here and see who the judge was. Nope, it doesn't tell me. So one of my colleagues sentenced him. He was supposed to do 30 days of community service. That's all he was sentenced to do. That was back in 2009. Ms. Hall, are you aware of how long he's been in custody of the Michigan Department of Corrections?
Yes, Your Honor. He was actually previously in the custody of Michigan Department of Corrections from 2009 to 2018.
And then now he's back in their custody?
Yes, he said that he's only been there for a few days. I don't know the amount of days for the current time, and he'll probably be doing at least another year.
All right, then the court is going to amend Mr. Oliver's sentence to give him, this is ridiculous. Mr. Flanagan, you didn't tell, you didn't give him you didn't tell him, can the young lady move out of the thing? Okay, no worries, Mr. Flanagan. All right, I'm gonna amend the sentence to 30 days in the Wayne County Jail. I'll give him credit for 30 days served. We will close the case out with improvement. Bid Mr. Oliver adieu and good luck. And do you all see how we didn't need them to interrupt the proceedings to give him that remote? Do you literally see how we did not need them to interrupt the proceedings to give him that remote? I promise you, if people let Judge Bryant do her job, I promise you, court would run much smoother. Ms. Hall, anything else for the record?
Nothing else for Mr. Oliver, Your Honor. Thank you.
And Mr. Oliver, you have a great day, and good luck to you. Stay safe, and this case is closed out. We will send the paperwork over to the jail, to the prison. All right.